Okay, here's my rear tail light. I have a left turn signal and a brake light out. Well, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna pull these two screws off right here. These are, I think, 8mm. Alright, got those two out. Now you just kind of got to give this thing kind of a hard pull. It doesn't want to come out, but you got to pull kind of hard. I'm just going to pull both. This is the bulb. I'm going to go ahead and take both of these out. Just let it hang. Okay. Here's the new bulbs. This is what O'Reilly told me was the right one, 3157. Here's the bulb here. Just pull it out. That actually looks burnt. So there's a new one. Slip this bulb in. Alright, I'm gonna go see if it works now. Works. Now just to get this back together, you just throw these back in here. And turn it till it seats. Same thing with the bottom one here. You just stick it in there till it seats. Now you're ready to line up some pins. Make sure your cables aren't. And you got to kind of give it a pop. Don't break the lens, but you know, sometimes you got to be a little forceful with it. You put the screws back in. Done. Alright, done deal. That's all it takes.